We are outside again. So yeah, family, today I'm going to talk about the things that you start noticing when you ride a motorcycle. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. So the first thing you notice is the state of the flipping roads. I mean, look at it. It's absolutely disgusting. You can be riding, you do a lifesaver, you end up in a flipping ditch. You know what I'm saying? Birmingham, look at it, look. Birmingham City Council, fix the hell up, man. Like, flipping hell. I think the state of the roads is probably more of a hazard than other flipping cars and road users. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, that's crazy, man. Council, fix up. Fix the hell. Look at it. The second thing, number 2, the smells of the fumes. So you're riding in traffic, and mate, you can smell them exhaust fumes. Now I know, the clean air zone thing, it's a big scam. We know this. Like paying to turn left over there is madness. But I'm telling you, I don't know, it's like you end up with respiratory issues when you're riding a motorcycle. You get me? You're just getting diesel up in your nostrils, petrol. It's absolutely crazy. Number 3, the bus lanes. Now, people have no idea how uneven the bus stop is. The road where the bus stop is. The road where the bus stop is it can be really treacherous. And I'll tell you why. So basically, the tarmac where the bus stops are, especially in the summer when it gets really, really hot, when the buses sit on it, it kind of sinks down the road itself. So when you're riding in it, you need to be really, really careful. Because as I said, a lot of the roads, it dips like that. So if you think that you're going to go through full throttle where the bus lane is and don't end up in issues, you might be in serious trouble. Let's see if this one's like that. This one ain't as bad. But yeah, just be very mindful of it, guys. The next thing you realize when you start riding bikes, how many people have bike-induced psychosis? Yeah, I'm saying it again, bike-induced psychosis. The condition where you see a bike and immediately you just want to talk to the guy and tell him that you want to get your license and you want to get a bike. That's crazy. I mean, all these people really have to do is say, you know what, I appreciate bikes, that's really nice, and keep it stepping. Like, you don't need to do the whole, you know, performative thing. You get me? There's no need for it. Don't make no sense. You get me? Number 4, the ganja. Mate, there's many times I'm riding and all I can smell is some good old trees. Look at the roads again. All I can smell is the good old trees. You smell everything from AK, wedding cake, star dog, all kind of weed you can smell when you're riding a bike. It's crazy. It reminds me of the good old days. Mate. Number 5, when you're riding on a bike, and a lot of the times it's when you end up around where kids are, they say stuff like, rev it. And I'm like, rev it. Why do you want to hear the bike rev like that, man? Like, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? About the bike-induced psychosis is crazy. It's crazy. 6, you start to realize how stupid some car drivers can be and how inconsiderate. I don't know why, because basically it's just an emotional thing, isn't it? So it might be a busy day and the roads are all chock-a-block and you're trying to filter, and they see you in the mirror, you know, and they won't just move to the side. especially if you're on a small 125 diet malnourished bike. That's what they like to do. So certain times, what I'll do is I'll just give it a little, and then think, right, look at this madman, let me get out of his way, and keep it stepping. Also, number 7, you will have, or number 6, you have guys asking you, like, how fast can that go? Like, why do they want to know how fast it can go? I need to know this. They'll say stuff like, is that bike fast? Well, of course it's fast. Like, anything outside of a push bike is fast. So if you're riding a push bike that does probably about, I don't know, you probably get about, I don't know, 10 miles an hour, or maybe even 15. Yeah? Anything more than that is rapid. Because think about it, if you come off of a push bike, which many of us have when we were younger, and even as big people, you're gonna mash up yourself. So if you're riding, I don't know, maybe like a scooter that does 30 miles an hour, you come off that, you're in trouble. Do you know what I mean? So yes, it's flipping fast, you dickhead. What's wrong with you? So anyway, that was just a few things that I could think of at this moment in time, family. What have you realised while you're out on your bike, you know, being a biker? What is it that you've realised that you didn't really notice before? Let me know down in the comments. And as I said before, hashtag ATW, hashtag all the way, hashtag VIP biking, do psychosis, hashtag all of them thing there. We out.